Explore the journey from healthcare rescue to a right-based approach, focusing on Caribbean insights. Discover the contrast between formal and shadow healthcare systems, highlighting ethical dilemmas and insights. Understand how formal availability can fail without practical access, emphasizing the conversion chain's importance. Explore the shadow access system and the six gates of friction that hinder healthcare access. Examine the interacting loops that contribute to healthcare unsustainability, focusing on the healthcare viability gap. Learn about the viability gap, where current systems survive by consuming future resources. Explore how institutional self-consumption leads to moral injury and systemic scarcity. Understand how small island contexts accelerate systemic fragility through unique challenges. Discover the need for a dual-capacity approach to overcome the reactive care trap. Learn how distributed responsibility must align with power to ensure effective healthcare access. Explore the design of a life-coherent health system that enhances human capacities and sustainability. Understand the 7 pillars of a life-coherent architecture, focusing on interconnected capacities. Learn about the regenerative loop, where care extends beyond discharge to ensure continuous support. Explore the transition from an enclosed reactive system to a life-coherent system, focusing on transparency and balance. Embrace the concept of care by right, ensuring timely and dignified healthcare for all.